A for Ayodhya Rama, B for Bhargava Rama, C for Chinmaya Rama, D for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishvara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Gunatmaka Rama, H for Hanmantara Rama, I for Inaya Rama, J for Jagadapi Rama, K for Kausalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Maryada Rama, N for Narahari Rama, O for Omkara Rama, P for Purushottama Rama, Q for Kushalava Rama, R for Raghupula Rama, S for Sita Rama, T for Taratha Rama, U for Udatta Rama, V for Vasishta Rama, W for Vaikuntha Rama, X for Jitendra Rama, Y for Vaikuntha Yogita Rama, Z for Jitendra Janahita Rama.